Let's solve this problem carefully and find the value of angle x step by step. We are given triangle ABC, and this angle measures 52 degrees. Now, let's introduce two variables to make the problem easier to work with. We'll call this angle alpha and this angle beta. Because of the way the figure is constructed, this angle becomes 35 degrees plus alpha, and this angle becomes 28 degrees plus beta. Now let's use one of the most important properties of triangles. The sum of the three interior angles of any triangle always equals 180 degrees. Applying that property to triangle ABC, we get 52 degrees plus the quantity 35 degrees plus alpha plus the quantity 28 degrees plus beta equals 180 degrees. Let's simplify this carefully. First, combine all the known angle measures, 52 plus 35 plus 28 equals 115 degrees. So the equation becomes 115 degrees plus alpha plus beta equals 180 degrees. Now we want to isolate alpha plus beta, so we'll subtract 115 degrees from both sides of the equation. That gives us alpha plus beta equals 180 degrees minus 115 degrees, and which equals 65 degrees. This is an important result, so keep it in mind because we'll use it in the next step. If you're enjoying this explanation so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun geometry problems. Now let's move our attention to triangle PBC. In this triangle, one angle is alpha, another angle is beta, and the remaining angle is x. Once again, we use the angle sum property of a triangle. Since every triangle has interior angles adding up to 180 degrees, we can write alpha plus beta plus x equals 180 degrees. From the previous equation, we already found that alpha plus beta equals 65 degrees. Now we'll substitute that value into this equation. This gives us 65 degrees plus x equals 180 degrees. To isolate x, we subtract 65 degrees from both sides. On the left side, 65 degrees cancels out, leaving only x. On the right side, 180 degrees minus 65 degrees equals 115 degrees. Therefore, x equals 115 degrees. That's our final answer. If you solved it correctly before the explanation, great job. And if you found this method helpful, leave your answer or thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more challenging geometry questions, and I'll see you in the next lesson.